This is my Aunt Effie, and today I'm going to show you a wonderful book. I usually do fiction books on this channel, but today I'm reviewing a nonfiction book called The Gods Never Left Us, and it's by Erich von Daniken. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but I hope it's close. Apologies to anybody who knows how to pronounce that, and if I did it wrong. So, what's in this book? What's in this nonfiction book? It's called The Gods Never Left Us. Well, I made a few notes while I was reading the book. This isn't everything, it's just a few of the notes I made in the beginning of the book. It's on page 202, it's talking about something called the Schrödinger equation. The book talks about a wave equation. It shows the change of a state over time through its energy. Everything is everywhere and can be. Everything can be everywhere simultaneously. So the book talks about the multiverse. So just to give you a little bit of an idea of some of the contents, the book talks about extraterrestrials. So extraterrestrials visited the Earth millennia ago and influenced our forebears. Sometimes weird things are right before our eyes, and we don't know how to process what we see. So another thing that's in the book, the author tells the story of a science teacher who had some lights show up in his living room. He can't figure out the source, and eventually he brings his son into the mystery. His son is a physicist, and he is looking for the Higgs boson particle with a number of colleagues. So although the lights came and went, they did show up while the son was visiting, and he had some colleagues with him. Eventually they were able to find out that these lights were actually a binary code, and it was calendar dates. So the book then goes on to present fascinating quantum physics concepts. I loved it. I had a whole lot of fun reading it, and let's see what I wanted to tell you. The book made me feel very enthusiastic about life and about possibilities that we're not aware of at this time. So why don't we do a random reading? I'll just pop a page open and you can kind of see what it's like. As long ago as 1987, Japanese geneticists developed a so-called super sequencer, which daily decoded 1 million letters of DNA. That was just the beginning. The US geneticist Craig Venter wanted to reveal the transparent human being that is the complete human genome. He has meanwhile succeeded in doing so with some complications. In his most recent bombshell, Craig Venter announced that his scientific team had developed a miniature life form. In other words, a living thing made by human beings, uncanny. The life form consists of 531,560 letters of DNA and is designated SYN 3.0, and I guess that means synthetic. That's what I'm thinking. Although this synthetic thing is alive, Craig Venter does not know why either. He doesn't know why it's alive either. More than 480 genes were implanted, others were removed. So that's one paragraph. So what else do I want to tell you? Okay, who might want to read this book? Well, if you like stuff about UFOs, if you like alien stuff, if you like channeling stuff maybe, probably if you like near-death experiences, or if you're a meditator, then there's a chance that you would like this book, because it's, I'm not into metaphysics at all, but it does move around with the use of physics into some areas that don't feel to me like they are scientific. But I do think that it's very interesting. I like to watch and learn, and I don't feel like I have to have an immediate opinion on something, because I'm just a person. I'm not a scientist. Okay, so that's it. It was a wonderful book. I really liked it. The gods never left us. And I guess all I want to say is be happy.